Learn about enums, a special data type in C# used to define named constants. Understand how to declare and use enums in your programs. This lesson explained enums, their syntax, and how to use them to make code more readable and maintainable. Enum basics. Enums are used to define named constants, making your code more descriptive and readable. Declare enums using the enum keyword and list values. Enum values. Each enum member is associated with an integer value starting from 0. You can change these default values or use them directly in your code. Using enums. Enums are often used in switch statements for decision making, providing clarity and simplicity when comparing named constants. Enum methods. Enums have useful methods like enum.getValues to list all members or enum, parse to convert strings to enum values for dynamic processing. Flags attribute. Add the flags attribute to an enum to treat its members as bit fields, allowing combinations of values for greater flexibility. You now understand how to define, use, and extend enums in C#. They enhance code readability, simplify logic, and provide powerful methods and attributes for advanced scenarios.